Hey, Dana here, welcome to my blog. This is part of my recovery from prostate surgery. And this is going to be my third bag, I believe, of Guardian Depends. Now, I went to Walgreens, and they had buy one at regular price and get the other one at 50% off. Well, of course, Depends is a name brand. So they were selling it at $14.99, I believe. And get one at 50% off, which was great if you've got a Walgreens card. So that's what I did. And I got another one. Well, we had to go to CVS. So I went to CVS, check out theirs. They want $15.99 for the Guardian, but they carry their own brand, and it looks like the same bag. It's just got their name on it. They've got and it's $52 pack. Well, they're selling theirs for $12 a bag. So I think next time around I'm going to try their brand and see how they compare to these guards. I got to do another price comparison at Walmart because I think Walmart was selling these at 11 something. I'll have to double check, but that's the price right now. 14 something at Walgreens, 15 a dollar more at CVS, but CVS carries their own brand at $12.99. So we'll check that out. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share, and we'll catch you on the next Dana Crosby's vlogs under human drama and my recovery from prostate cancer. Hey, Dana here, welcome to my vlog. And this is a continuation of my I Can't Pee series. Well, it is now November 2nd, and last Friday I had my PSA blood work taken along with testosterone levels. So currently I'm waiting for those results. I had my prostatectomy, I get that word down, the 8th of September, and it is currently the 2nd of November. Since that time I've had 4 pelvic floor therapies that's supposed to strengthen your muscles around the bladder, so you don't, so you're holding your urine, because now that prostate's gone, that left a hole. So now your muscles have got to grow again, or grow to fill in that gap. And that was the thing. When you get a large prostate, it's pushing pressure on the outlet of the bladder. So as I got older, I noticed that my volume of flow was getting lower and lower and lower, and you just can't help it when you're in the restroom with other guys, some of them are blowing like frickin' fire hoses, and it's like, I used to do that. What happened, and that was why. Well, guess what? My 20s fire hose is back.
but I'm also leaking. So I've got to wear Depends briefs, which are padded, and then I'm using the Depends Max pads, and I'm currently using between 3 and 4 a day. I'm coming up on my pretty much being back to full routine. So bending and climbing and lifting and all that stuff, and you sometimes just don't realize that you're leaking, and sometimes I do. So depending on how much fluid I drink during the day, it's all coming out. So using those pads, I'm using about 3 or 4 a day. As far as sleeping's concerned, I'm doing pretty good. Used to be I'd get it 4 times a night. Now I'm pretty much down to 3, maybe 2. So it's getting better. Got to remember to do your pelvic floor exercises. I get going so fast in my day that I sometimes don't remember them. So the easiest ones are just when you're sitting. If you can think about it, just when you're driving, you can squeeze. So that's probably the easiest ones to do. The other ones, you're on your back with your knees up, and then other ones you're standing. Go to stand, and then you release, and then before you sit back down, you squeeze again and sit down. She has another one where we're you're laying on your back, your legs up, and you squeeze, and then you tension your stomach muscles. And there's another one where you're on your back with your knees up, and then you put a pillow or a ball between your knees, and you're squeezing the ball, and then you're squeezing again as well. So those are continuous. You try to hold them about 8 to 10 seconds, and then release. And you do them 30 times. So you can easily spend an hour. Average is about an hour doing those exercises, and then try and do some during the day, especially the sitting squeezing ones. So that's currently where I'm at. We are November 2nd, 2020. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to comment, subscribe, definitely share. And God bless those who cared for me and are caring for me and caring about me. So, thanks again. Catch me again on Crosby's Vlogs. I Can't Pee.